Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Today we will do chapter 2 Fractions and Decimal. First of all, we will do some important notes. Fraction. What is fraction? A fraction is a number representing part of a whole and can be expressed in the form p by q where q not equal to 0, a and b are whole numbers. It means if I have an apple and I have cut this apple in 6 equal parts and I have given 2 slices of this apple to a student. What part of this apple I have given to a student, that is 2 by 6. 2 by 6. Total are 6. 2 I have given to a student. This is a fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. This is a 2 part of a apple. It represents a part of a whole. Clear everyone? Here, if I have 2 by 6, this is numerator and this is denominator. Upper portion is known as numerator and the lower is denominator. If I have a fraction p by q, p is called as a numerator and q is as a denominator. Next I have proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. For example, if I have 3 by 8, here numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. Numerator is equal to 3 and denominator is equal to 8. Numerator is less than denominator, so this is a proper fraction. Take one more example, that I have 5 upon 9. This is also a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. Now, improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. It means if I have a fraction 16 upon 5, here numerator is greater than denominator, so this is improper fraction. Or if both are same, 7 upon 7, both are same, this is also improper fraction. Next I have a mixed fraction. A combination of a whole and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. A fraction which is a combination of a whole, let 2 is a whole and 1 by 3 is a fraction. This 2 1 by 3 is a combination of whole, that is 2, and a fraction, proper fraction. This is 1 by 3. This is known as mixed fraction. 2 1 by 3. Take one more example, 4 3 by 8. This is also a mixed fraction. Getting all? Now we will do exercise 2.1. That is, first question is solved. 2 minus 3 by 5. Here we have subtraction of two fractions. I will write 2 as 2 by 1. I convert this whole number into a fraction by writing 1 in the denominator. To solve these fractions, I will apply cross multiply. First I multiply 5 to 2, then 1 with 3 and 1 to 5. 2 5 the 10, 3 1s the 3 and 1 5 the 5. 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 by 5 is the answer. In next question, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7, plus symbol is there, so here we will add these two fractions. Same we will apply the cross multiply method, this to this to this and denominator to denominator. 7 3 the 21, 5 2 the 10, 5 7 the 35. 21 plus 10 is is 31 upon 35. Clear all? Next we have 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. Here minus symbol is there. We will do subtraction here. Same way we will do the cross multiply method. Multiply this to this and this to this and the 11 to 15. 9 multiply 15 minus 4 multiply 11 upon 11 multiply 15. It's 135. It's minus 44 upon 165. Their subtraction is 91 upon 165. Clear all? Next we have addition of two mixed fractions. Addition of two mixed fractions. Here what we will do, we have to solve this mixed fraction first. We have to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. How we will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction? It's very easy. First we will multiply this 3 to 2, 3 to the 6, then we will add this 2. 3 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now 3 multiply 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. This way we will solve the mixed fraction. It is 8 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Then simple addition is there. By cross multiply method we will solve this addition and we will get the answer 37 by 6. Next we have second question. Arrange in descending order. Descending means biggest to smallest. But here we have three fractions and these three fractions are unlike. Unlike means they have different denominator. We will convert these fractions into like fractions by converting the denominator same. Like fractions are those fractions whose denominator is same. First of all, we will take the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So we have taken LCM 9, 3 and 21, that is 63. Now we will make the denominator of all these fractions 63. How? I have 2 by 9. First fraction is 2 by 9. So I want to make this 9 63. I think with which number I multiply 9 so that I will get 63, that is 7. 9 multiply 7 is 63. So I multiply numerator and denominator by 7. This is 2 7 the 14, 9 7 the 63. And next is 2 by 3. Now I know that if I multiply 3 by 21, I will get 63. So I multiply numerator and denominator by 21. This I have to think by which number I multiply so that I will get 63 in all these three fractions. Now in the same way 8 by 21 is there. I know if I multiply 21 by 3 I will get 63. So I multiply numerator and denominator by 3. It is 24 upon 63. Now 42 is greater than 24. 24 is greater than 14. This is the descending order. Largest, then small, then smallest. Then I have 42 by 63 greater than 24 upon 63 greater than 14 upon 63. Now we will write their actual value. 42 upon 63 is 2 by 3. This is greater than. This is 24. 24 upon 63 is equal to 8 by 21 and this is equal to 2 by 9. Clear all? Next we have a word problem. A rectangular sheet of perimeter. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 cm long and 10 2 by 3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. First of all, the length of rectangular sheet is given, that is in mixed fraction 12 1 by 2. First of all, I will solve this mixed fraction. 12 multiply 2 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So the length of the rectangular sheet is 25 upon 2 and the breadth is 10 2 by 3. To solve the mixed fraction, I multiply these two first. 10 into 3 plus 2, it's 30 plus 2 is upon 3, 32 by 3. Now perimeter of rectangular sheet, you know that the perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Here the length is 25 by 2 and the breadth is 32 by 3. Here we will apply the same method by cross multiplying. I will solve this. When I solve this bracket, I will get 139 upon 6. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 3 are 6. 139 upon 3 is the answer. Now this is improper fraction. Because the question is in mixed fraction, na? Length and breadth is in mixed fraction. So we will give the answer means के perimeter in mixed fraction. How? What we will do? I will simple divide 139 by 3. 139 divided by 3. 3 4 the 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. Take this 9 downside. Now 3 6 the 18. 3 6 the 18. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now mixed fraction quotient. Quotient is 46. Remainder is 1. And the divisor is 3. This way we can write the mixed fraction. Quotient, remainder upon divisor. Quotient, remainder upon divisor. So the perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Now come on another question, that is find the perimeter of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE in the figure. I have this figure. First of all, I will find the perimeter of this triangle and then perimeter of this rectangle. Now in this triangle ABE, length of AB is 5 by 2, BE is 2 3 by 4. I will solve this mixed fraction. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 by 4 centimeter, and AE is, after solving, 18 upon 5 centimeter. Now we know that perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides, AB plus BE plus AE. Now to solve this, because here I have 3 fractions, so I have to add these 3 fractions with another method. That is, first of all, I have to take the LCM of 2, 4 and 5, that is 20. After that, I will divide 20 by 2, that is 10. Then I multiply 5 by 10. Then 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then I multiply 11 by 5. Now 20 divided by 5, that is 4. Then 18 multiply 4. To solve this, first I have to divide the LCM by the denominator. Then after that we will multiply the answer with the numerator. Clear? Once again I am repeating. First I will take the LCM of 2, 4 and 5, that is 20. Then I divide 20 by 2, that is 10. 5. Then I multiply 5 by 10 plus 20 divided by 4 is 5. 11 into 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4, that is 4. Then I multiply 18 by 4. Now 5 into 10 is 50. 11 into 5 is 55. 18 into 4 is 72 upon 20. When I add this is 177 upon 20. Now I have written this in terms of mixed fraction. This is the perimeter of triangle ABE. Now perimeter of rectangle, this BCDE. You know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. This is the length and this is the breadth. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Simply we will solve this and we will get the answer 7 5 by 6. Here perimeter of triangle is 8 17 upon 20. Here perimeter of rectangle is 7 5 by 9. 8 is greater than 7. So the perimeter of this triangle is greater than the perimeter of a rectangle. Now we have mentioned here all with this, the perimeter of the triangle is greater than the perimeter of rectangle. Now next question is, Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Here, the question is I have to fit a picture in the frame, but the picture, the width of picture is more than the width of frame. So to fit the picture in the frame, I will subtract these both. The width of the picture is this and the width of the frame is this. The picture should be trimmed. How much picture can be trimmed so that it can be easily fitted in the frame? We will subtract these two. When we will, this is these two are mixed fractions, we will convert into improper and then we will solve. Simple, this is 3 by 10 is the answer. It's very easy and interesting. I hope you all got it. Now the next and the last question is, Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Now, apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. They have only one apple. From one apple, Ritu ate this part and his brother ate the remaining part. Remaining part means 1 minus 3 by 5. 1 can be written as 1 upon 1 minus 3 by 5. This is 5 minus 3 by 5, it's 2 by 5. Ritu ate 3 by 5, his brother ate 2 by 5. Who ate more? Ritu, because 3 is greater than 2. Ritu ate large share. Their difference is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is 1 by 5. Ritu ate 1 by 5 more apple. Hope I you all have understood. Try these questions. Do written practice of these questions. Thank you for watching.